Hello everybody, here I have come with my very first tutorial video as I promised you in my channel introduction video. Today I am going to show you some important keyboard shortcuts which can be used in your Windows computers to get your works done fast and easy. Okay, let's see one by one. To create a new folder, press the keys Ctrl+Shift+N and press enter. To rename a file or folder, just click it and press the key F2. Put a name you want and press enter. To open this PC, press Windows key plus E. To shift among opened windows and programs, press and hold Alt key, and by pressing Tab key, select the window or program you want to open. When it is selected, release Alt key. To minimize all the opened windows and programs at once, press Windows key plus D. And to maximize them again at once, press Windows key plus D again. To minimize opened windows and programs separately, select and open the window or program you want to minimize first. Next, press and hold Windows key and press down arrow key twice. And to maximize them again separately, select and open the window or program you want to maximize again. Next, press and hold Windows key and press up arrow key twice. Okay, thanks for watching. Let's meet again with another video.